Excuse me, it's been like 5 minutes since the last time that I got attention. I would like some more, please.
Blessed Sunday to one and all of you. Speak my mind family. One nation stands alone. We got church already. We got church already. Yes, man. Don't make social media stop on the front go church, you know. Go on to church, and when you come back, if you don't cook before, you can't wake up early and cook on dinner, you know, because you make sure you have a schedule. You understand? You don't wake up, cook on dinner, go to church, come back home, relax. You understand? Some want to go to church, come back, and want to eat. But though when you not watch a video them, you know cook and then you know food burn up, you know complain me. You understand? So me know you have a tight schedule, you have a schedule workout. Yeah. So I don't know if you go to church already or what. But remember, go on to church before you watch a video, before you take on to social media. Alright, One Nation family, I go put God first. God come first in everything what we do. Always remember that. So blessed Sunday to all who cook them rice and peas. Well, today, cripple, I forgot eat out of my pot today, you know, cause I cook today, I cook some cow peas, rice and peas. Long time I cook cow peas. You know, one of my favorite rice and peas. After, in my early days, I never used to eat it that much. Cause it's not like, you don't know most time, most people are cook just red peas or gungo. Yes, man. But me can't tell you people, you say one peas on here, cow peas, rice and peas, nice. And it make your rice and peas rich and get flavor. Whereas when you use up your coconut milk, your authentic coconut milk, and whether you use that or the powder one, it still get your flavor, whereas you season up your pot properly. So all who never try cow peas yet, the grain them small and brown. Cow peas, not bungo peas. Cow peas. So anywhere you go market, ask them for cow peas, some small brown peas. Make your rice and peas nice, your finna. So that me I look out for tomorrow, and some brown stew fish in coconut milk and okra for my dinner. And cripple, wanna hear me talk about, as I said tomorrow, at the last day of this week of giving back to him a meal every day for 1 month. Anyway, I start 4 days in the last month, so it will lead up to 1 month and 4 days. You know, where I provide a meal for him. And that meal costs me a minimum of $1,000 with a water and a juice. Sometimes it can run over based on what I buy. Because I don't really feed him pan chicken every day or give him chicken every day. If I can't afford to buy him a pork lunch or a beef lunch or whatsoever lunch and it run a little over, so it go. But the minimum, you don't know, you have to balance yourself. And that cost $34,000 for the 34 days, as well as it can go over. But tomorrow, since me I go cook, instead of go buy my lunch, you know, I'm going to share from my pot and carry him lunch go give him. Alright, or him dinner whatsoever. Anyway, I don't know what they do. They do is like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads, and that's the reason for watching the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue, where we can reach out to people like these who is in need. Where we just go about, see them. Because cripple, some of them I grow with me and we used to fly kite together. But it's one of my business associate drawing me attention to him, you know. I'm Mr. Reality, but cripple, cripple fall in the space so me can help on the mountain, because it was just right in the mountain give back time, you know. Yeah, Star figure for himself. 3 Sunday now, I see Star and him borrow $1,000, so he make $1,000 mess up for him blessing, so him out. Right? So when you know what you add, this is how it goes. And the cash up is also there on ask it. When you give me, I take the gift and give back to the needy. $ charms and trends. If you don't have no cash up, you don't have no Zelle, load the Zelle, no pin. You can reach me at 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. And please remember, I am not running a charity. If you see it in need for gift to give me because you like my channel or you like what me I do, you just want to contribute to my water and my snow mints and stuff like that, yeah, I take the gift and I give it back to the needy, not the greedy. And remember, Charms and Trends, please to go and support them. The cash app is also $Charms and Trends, as I said. Alright? And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription. Help her to reach at 1,000. She need 112 more subscribers to reach at 1. At 2 days now, she on 888. And come on, man. I only pound over here when I subscribe it, man. Go and get her a subscription, man. Probably she can be the next person who come try to assist people. Because I see that she and her mom who operate Charms and Trends already start do it already, and them don't have a monetized channel. Them business where them a do a little from, still not a business that get off the ground or a great way they call it now, profit making from it. But they still see it in themselves to give back to the needy. So to support them, man. Life with Gabby and Chevy. And as I said, Charms and Trends, Charmed and Trends .shop is the website, and you can go on Instagram and you see the business page, Charmed _and_ trends. Just go up on the business page, see what you like, anything you like, you can get it customized. It's that time of the season where you give back a gift. Give a gift that is worth it. Give a gift that somebody can see it and look upon it and say yes. Some gift are figures, you know. Gift like these, you buy a tumbler, a mug, a wine cup, a wine glass. You understand? A buckle, key rings, anything, bracelets, you know. You can customize it to your liking. Your name, your picture, whatsoever you want on it. What better gift you would want to be a souvenir? More than you just buy one, you can sit and put on every day, look on it. It now have no use to you, but just look on it. Decoration. These can turn decoration also, but at least them can serve a purpose. So let's go over Charms and Trends and support them. Please and thanks. Good customer service. If you drop in the DM, yes. Quick, you get a reply. Alright? And remember, life is a mission TV. Anyway, people. Today's video, I'm not really in a mood, you know. From yesterday's video to today's video. You know, my body just feel tired because of missing some sleep. And trust me, I don't have that. But I have to dedicate myself to Uno like what Uno dedicate to me in supporting the channel and watching the videos. And as I always say, Sunday is a day when I have to go on a video no matter what. If I don't have a video for going to Sunday, I have 2 videos for Saturday. I prefer save one and go on the next one for Sunday. Because me figure more or less, most people, you know, not everybody, but most people, they home on a Sunday family day, you know, and stuff. And if you're a YouTuber and you have people that support your channel, it's good for you to, you know, can do a thing for people can take on to you. Alright? So stay tuned. Yeah, man, so today's video is all about who missed the whole week. What really caused the controversy. You understand? Because this week, the whole topic this week was all about controversial. You understand? That Miss D have to come out with a cease and desist plea that was, you know, requested by probably the law for her to do, because she said she have been to the police in fear of her life because of a certain individual, Bow Wow, who seems to be so ignorant against this woman. For what reason, I don't know. So, everything that happened in social media, she put the blame on that woman. Everybody out here is an adult on social media, where we know, especially over this diaspora, are all adults. None of us is related to Donna Marigo. None of us, well, I can't say none of us, but I sure none of us related. But I can almost say 99%, none of us out here get paid from Donna Marigo. What I said? 99 people that's ever talk for myself. But to the type of woman that me know, none of us out here, 99% of us out here don't get paid from Dana. As what they make it seems. You might ask why I leave up 1%. Not even in the medical field when you read anything. Them tell you says 100%. You think them are idiot? Why you think them tell you say 99%? Because if something if it go wrong, them are going to tell you say that was within the 1%. So you can't file a lawsuit against them. So in this case, 99%. Me now go say 100%. If you go buy one contraceptive pill as a female, when you read it, them tell you say 99%. Them still leave a percent. That is the protection percent. The one. If you come at them, if something if you go wrong. Alright? And these people, not even these people, yeah, these people, because there's a whole heap of them, but this specific person come out hollering on our platform. When I say hollering, she come out it as if she are bounding this woman to call off our dogs, because that's what she call us. You understand? She's bounding this woman to call off her dogs. Better she did say cats, because Mr. Dana have cat in her yard where she take in when she at Jamaica. I don't see she really take in no dog. Some dog might in and around the lane, but she take in some cats. But yet still, to make it look as if we are out here doing all this because Dana influenced us to do this. No. You and your friend them influence us to do this. Because when we sit and observe, for somebody like me who come right after the 2019 season, just in a 2020, which was like just in a corona time, so that would be like February, March, that's how it go. When did we get our first case of corona? I think it was like late January, right? Late January, and then the cases started to build. So I think it was about February, March, the country start. Suppose March, the country start go in a lockdown, and that's when I come on board, right? And started to see, and just not come on board and start from where I sit. I do my research where Dana Marigo is concerned. When I discover her via Rapper Crapper with Mary Puss, I was so intrigued with what she were doing. I feel so delighted to see that somebody who, I would say, not a rich person, a millionaire, a well-known person like that in the business sector, could take up so much pressure and take up such a good initiative to do what she were doing. And that drive me to feel the way I feel about this woman. I have played my Facebook, on my Facebook where I post a video before I even have YouTube channel. When we were on the corner speaking and my friend go live, and I said, big up one woman named Auntie Dana. I see her do some good things. I speak of it already and not going to go over it again. But just probably who just joined, like I said, who just joined the channel. And you can see the emotion that I was going through. Remember now, I have no YouTube channel them time there. Me didn't even start go up on Dana page yet. Do you understand? Because I like a week after I discovered the whole Facebook page and everything. And from I discovered it, I left it. You can hear the emotion in my voice attack. So I come to do this as clout. I come out here and get paid for do this. I do this naturally. natural love for what the woman a do. You understand? But you run out on your platform and I go on like the woman a pay us out here. People, I go and make on the ear. As me say, this is what start the whole controversial thing this week that Donna have to come out on a cease and desist. So basically, who never hear, got a chance to hear, and who hear, who never hear again. So stay tuned for Bow Wow. Want to listen to her voice, you know. Listen how she sound, you know. Like she ain't the bad somebody, you know. Want to just listen. So people, let's listen to Bow Wow. How she come out hard. Like she can't drape nobody.
Now, this is a strong message that I am going to
Strong
send to
message,
Donna
yeah.
Gao. Alright? Donna Gao, this message is for you. Alright? Donna Gao. And I'm calling your name because I want people to know that this live is intended for you and you alone.
And that's why she call your
Donna
name
Gao.
in the cease and desist to make you know say it is intended to
put my
you.
face in the video. I'm going to put my face in the video. Let me put my face in the video.
You couldn't go comb your ear.
Alright, Donna Gao.
You're stressed, girl. You're
This live is
stressed.
for you.
People business
I'm
stress
doing
you and
this
nobody
live
has
for
stress you.
and no one else. Now, your friends are harassing my children, right? Your blogger friends are harassing my children.
No, our son and
And
daughters.
they're sending death threats to my children.
Our sons
Your
and
friends,
daughters,
Donna Gao, your
not our
influence
friends.
is causing my children to be threatened. The last I checked, you
Make
just
a
came
case,
into this
girl.
country.
Make a case.
You just came into this country, Donna Gao. And this is what you are.
Make a case because you feel like the law idiot. Your record out there, you can't create no case. And this is what you try to do, make a case. You understand? What if she just come to this country? You tell Chris the same thing. Say America is your country. Why do you say it to Donna too? She come in your country. What how it becomes your country? Are you a born American? What is in your passport when they reach a part where them say place of birth? Is it America? No. It's Jamaica. So how America becomes your country? You were there from foundation? No. There's a lot of people who were there before you. So them can't tell you the same thing. Say America for them country. If so be the case. So when you come out here and pretend like you don't have little education or any at all, you have to be careful of how you speak because you don't speak things where not really make sense, it's not relevant. Chris left England and come America, you gotta tell him say this is your country. So what's the difference? Donna didn't know. Because you have a black book and she have a green card. How did you acquire your black book? Is it that you just reach America and get a black book? Isn't it a process for you to get a black book? Is it a process for you to reach to be a citizen of America? Or if you reach up there, you have auntie, cousin, niece, pitney wife, you can't get citizenship just so, bang. And no process. So when you ever come talk about, oh, a green card you have. Oh, so this is why you're trying this. And this is why you want to go to whichever place you want to go to report the woman. Because you want them to reject giving her citizenship and revoke our green card. Okay. Let's see if the law of America is an idiot. Because I one thing me sure know. They are not. And your records are there to show. Plus, evidence is here of nowadays, not even back in the days, nowadays, over your son. So you're not worried.
Causing Donna Gao. And I'm asking you right now to get your minions to stop harassing my kids. I'm talking about people like Kingston 13. I'm thinking about the gay men that you have in the UK, the Baker Boy, and the one that's on YouTube. And I'm talking about the others that worship the ground you walk on. And this is a clear warning that I'm sending you. Donna Marie Gao, if you
Go back to what I just say. I don't think the law in America is that fool. You'd have to prove it, you know. You'd have to have your evidence to prove all of this accusation. Yes, man. So, the law, down at Homeland Security, I gotta just take what you are say. Whichever officer you talk to and they say, okay, and call the relevant persons to go and check her out or revoke our green card. You feel so? That's what I go? You don't feel like them are going to run your background check. You don't feel like them are going to ask you for strong evidence. Where's the evidence of this woman doing all what you accuse her of? Eh? Come on. Where is the threat that all of who you say are sent towards your daughter? Where's the evidence? Have you have any evidence on record to prove that all these names of these people that you have called has said things that can make your daughter feel threatened or your kids overall feel threatened? Is there anything on record? Can you please come out here on your platform, come freshen our memory please, of all these threats that you are saying and accusing people of sending to your kids, that you and your kids are feeling threatened and not feeling safe in a country what is yours? Come on with your evidence, man. Don't just labba, 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 labba. Don't yap, 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 yap. We need to see the evidence. Because we sure know you don't have none. You are just trying to build a case. And this is the way you see best to build this case. Because we all know how it goes in America when it comes on to threat. But you got to have evidence. And I'm sure you don't got no evidence.
Alright? You are pretty... Your gay friends attack my children every day. You understand me? They're attacking my kids. They're attacking my kids, Donegal. You have never posted your children on social media.
You use your
right?
kids' content
Nobody knows
day
what your
in,
children
day
looks
out.
like. Alright? Because you are hiding them from social media.
You
This
use
is
your
after
kids'
you set
the
a lot of
content
trolls
day
on
in,
me
day
and
out.
my kids. You're hiding your children on social media.
The
Donegal,
content you
be
use your
warned.
kids them for now, you know.
Be warned, Donegal. Okay? If you don't get your minions, if that gay man in the UK and that woman Kingston 13, whatever her name is, Janet or Jackie or whatever.
Remember now, Dana come see you and that same man we you talk about, you know. You forgot? Dana come see you and that same man in England where you talking about. Try remember that. You forgot how Dana get to know this man, yeah? You forgot how Dana becomes friends with this man, yeah? Because a parasite like you who were trying to get this man, set up this man against the woman. Yes, man. You were the main perpetrator behind orchestrating, setting up Chris to go against Dana. You were the main perpetrator. You were the one caused this friendship. Because when Chris get the whole details and know the whole situation and get down to the meat of the matter and hear what is what, he realized that what you and whosoever you that use to put up the man against the woman and set up the woman, him realize that nothing go so. I remember clearly, probably not when it all started, but I remember clearly when Chris take to his balcony. I can remember that's the first time I was coming across him. Have on him wig, him lipstick up and him ray and him have on him, what you call it, sitting there with all the woman them mostly use, what you call it? But them use the phone man and put on, man. You know what me I talk, I remember right you know. And him have on them something there, him a drink him whatever champagne or wine or whatsoever and him there and the whole topic come up. And him start talk, but I don't even know this woman down. Who not tell me about? I don't. But he wasn't like jumping the same time, but he was like, you know. So I remember vividly until a few days after, not even a few days after, I don't remember for the same night or the following night, because that same night Dana was also on her live. That same night Dana was also on her live. People were typing in the comment, say, people over your majesty a call up her name. I don't quite remember if that was what draw her attention to the whole situation over there. You understand? But the same night she were in her live and people in the comment tell her, say, her name a call over your majesty. So you were the main perpetrator. You know this man before the woman. But because what you did that trying to work, it worked against you. Because Chris find out who you were. You understand? And what your intention was all about. And him come, him get to know Dana, him meet Dana, and there becomes a band. That wasn't what you wanted. That wasn't what you wanted, Bow Wow. And when you see that band your farm, Jesus Christ. Hallelujah. Somebody give me a amen. Amen. When she see that band your farm, I'm going what, 3 years or 4 years strong now. And she see she can't do nothing about it. And she claimed to say now, say these two persons who stop her business from progress. Remember, one live in Jamaica and one live in England. None of the two can go to America at the time. Wanna look upon it, you know? None of the two can go to America at the time. Chris can't go to America. Dana can't go to America. But yet still, the two of them are stop our business. America that have so much state. How much? 51, 52, 53, 54? And as me say, if you find yourself can't survive in a one state, you know, choose another one. No business you do. Or a special people you want to sell. You want to sell people from Connecticut. You want to sell people from Brooklyn. You want, a special people you want to sell and a business you do. Oh. If me go a Coronation Market, and me see a Coronation Market overpopulated with the business where me I do, and me a fear struggle, me not sit down and watch him man who have succeed. Me not sit down and watch him. Me a find somewhere else go whole heap of other market there. Me a go create a market for myself. You're so populated, overcrowded, me not no luck you so. Me not sit down and watch you just sell your product and the same product me a sell, and me a watch you sell your product and sell your product. That me get jealous and envy. That the envy and jealous becomes bad mind. When me can take all the energy the way me a put in a jealousy and move to a different market, Crossroad Market there, Linstead Market there. Carry me a key, go a Linstead Market, knock talk to yourself. Oh, what a night, what a night, what a Saturday. You carry your Aki go a Linstead Market and none no sell. Next week you find Whole Harbour Market, Wochi Market, Montego Bay Market, Chilani Market. Find somewhere else go. But you choose to take your energy to try tear down the person where you see a progress in the market. And that's exactly what you do. But because the whole mission where you want never accomplish, you feel to use Chris to tear down Dana. It happened the other way around, where they becomes friends. That bunny. So everything we're going in the social media, you try to make it look like the two of them is who I do it. So when you go talk about Dana, to call off her England and Deso and Deso and Tara, remember where it all started.
Her name is in Curacao. If you don't get them off of my kids, I'm marching my ass right now down to Homeland Security.
Nobody know what, nobody not tire you, goat, but we're not tire.
So if you want to keep being living
Oh,
in
when they
this
said GOAT,
country
not greatest of
and
all
running
time.
your business and
GOAT.
doing whatever the hell you need to do.
Oh, sorry,
Get your
Bow
little
Wow.
gay friends off my kids. Get your little gay friends off my kids. And that one down there when named Kingston 13 in a Curacao, get her off my kids. You understand?
Sympathy for
Because
come
this is
out here,
getting
look, you
really
know.
nasty.
Her
Remember, me
marketing
can't go nowhere now.
strategy.
I can't go
Sympathy for
nowhere,
come out
Donica.
here, look.
I'm letting you know that. I got nowhere to go. So if you continue, Donegal, to let your bullies come after my children, I am going to march my ass down to Homeland Security.
Remember, this is
and
what
let
caused
them
the
know
cease and
that
desist.
your influence
Alright?
is causing my kids to not live comfortably in this country where they were born. You notice I'm calling out your name, Donna Marie Gao. You're the one I'm addressing. If you
No,
don't
you see, you
get your
call it
gay
since you
friend,
get the
that little
cease and
gay
desist, but
nasty
probably
man
I
over
flip
there
it
in the
slip out of your
dark,
mouth, so we
that
don't
gay
know.
mentally unstable man
But we want to
that's
hear you call it
defending you in the dark.
often and
If you
bold
don't
like how
get
you
that
do it
little
now.
nasty one, in Curacao, Kingston 13 off of my kids them, me I go down at Homeland Security for your ass. Because these are people whom you've advertised on your page and you've supported on your page. This is a fair warning. This is a fair warning to you. And I don't even have to go down there because my connections in my phone is very...
So basically, these are people that she advertise and announce on her page. She might not be what do you call it now? A national broadcasting station, radio station, TV station or whatsoever. But she have a legitimate page on YouTube, a legitimate page on Facebook. She's supposed to feel free. None of these people are criminals, as they would be on social media, because the law would be looking for them. So something wrong with she advertising them and calling them out on social media. And whatever they are doing, she's supposed to hold responsible for it because she called them out on social media, she promote them on social media. Oh. So when your national television station promote some products from different companies, very amount of companies in America, even locally, when our local station get paid or free promotion, because they do also a free promotion, and these entities or individuals go out there and do anything, is it that your national radio or TV station should be held responsible? I'm just asking, I don't know. Is it the law in America that if a national radio station or TV station come out and advertise this fruit cake, pineapple cake, and someone eat it tomorrow morning and catch some rash or some bumps or whatsoever, is it that the radio station or the TV station that advertised this cake will be held responsible for advertising this cake? Or is it the owner or the group of company that own this bakery? Me no know, you know. Me don't see no people. Me did a try to go to Sunday school. But you see, too, me love sleep, as you know. Every morning me wake up, Sunday school start. And the pastor did have a strict rule when tell the security, say anybody come Sunday school after 9, lock the gate, make them go home. So every time me reach, it's always before 9, after 9. So the gate always a lock for me, so me end up not even go Sunday school. So me dunce, me want to help me. All of the bright people them over here, although them say most of we over here dunce, but some dunce and some is the case. So the one them look bright and we were duncer, wanna help me there. Is it that the radio station or the TV station will be held responsible for the cake where them advertise, where the baby or the picnic or the man or the woman get rash after eating it? Because the doctor diagnosed that, okay, the cake that you eat last night, that's what caused the rash, that's what caused the scratching. Me no know. Because if she were Homeland Security, old Dana responsible for adult people out here who has a social media page. I must not try to say Dana is responsible for all these people. None of them are kids. None of them are related to her. So make it make sense what you say.
Strong. I don't even have to go down to Homeland Security.
You can't do otherwise? Tell me what you can do.
So
No?
I'm telling you, this is a fair warning.
What else
to
you can do?
Donegal.
Tell me.
Get your-
Let's see who's supposed to
get
feel
your-
free
get
now,
your
Dana?
blogger,
Because we don't know what else you can do.
hungry-belly people them off of a picnic. If you want to stay in this country and stay here legally, get your nasty people off my kids' backs.
If they never run you out by
Because
carrying
you are doing-
drugs,
you're
who
hiding
them
your
ever run
children
out?
from the public. Something I'm not interested in seeing your kids. I'm not interested in seeing your kids. I'm not interested in finding out anything about your kids. Period.
You know, come out and come
I'm
say
not
the woman
interested.
picking away 400 and
But you are
500
now
pounds.
stepping in uncharted territories, Donegal. Remember, you have the green card. I don't mean.
So what that say? What that say?
They're attacking my children,
Didn't
Frederica.
Didn't you have a black book when time them hold you with the substance? Wasn't the time when you get hold with the substance? Didn't you have an American citizenship? Did it help you from getting incarcerated? So what are you saying? As she have the green card, what you are trying to say? You can't stop her from get citizenship? American a fool, so. American a fool, so. Remember America you talk about, you know, and I want little island where you can just walk going somewhere and somebody just say something and that work. There is law that govern the country. And if nothing else with America, them one when them come, them have real proof and evidence. What make you think most time all of these men will do all with them do, running for months and years and feel like all is well? I don't know say fire there them must steal. Because they're sitting, biding them time, gathering evidence. So you see when them come, it's no turning back for you. The only thing you can do is probably reduce sentencing, reduce doing time. But you know your name must go. How much man you see them bide them time with for years just to gather evidence, and when them go, how much of them escape? And when I say escape, I mean from the facility. Escape the judgment. How much? So you're going like America a fool and you feel like say you have any talk of America more than nobody else. Eh? Who you man? You just a little careless girl from Jamaica end up get a little opportunity in America because you live careless in Jamaica and your father take you up and say want him daughter have like a change in her life. And you go to America with the same type of dirty ways and dirty style. You understand? Receive food all about the place like hardware and lumber. Rapid True Valley, Rapid Sheffield. You just a taking wood, so just a taking wood, so. And you know work at forestry. You understand what I say? So it never make sense your father they take you up, better make you stay at Jamaica. And about your latitude. Probably one or two of them people that come to some good. And would that help you in a life now? Instead of give you the chance to come up to come change your life, and there was no changes. You're the all alone in a dance hall a bong show because you're a run down celebrity. You want to be against the rich and famous. And that's why up till now you feel like, you know, you were accepted against the rich and the famous, and you were knocking heads with the rich and the famous. And because you used to do this little small radio station that nobody even really knows about, and you used to go out there in the dance hall and do a few little interviews, and you might buck up on a few Jamaican celebrities. I never ever see you interview one of those international stars. It's being local celebrities from Jamaica, entertainers and stuff. I never ever see you interview one of those big stars from America. But that make you feel like, oh, you're somebody. You're nobody at all, man. You're the same little dirty girl you sit down at George's Lane and Tower Street between Barry Street and run up and down to the dirty water where I run across your doorway. In the abandoned building you want to build up and becomes a resident. Remember abandoned building they did live in, you know. Down at Tel Aviv, you know. Where the people them capture everybody build up a little house and you know. Some of you sleep, you know. Abandoned building they did live in. Now make the people them feel like say they live in a home or a resident. It was an abandoned building, commercial abandoned building at Tel Aviv. Where all kind of feces water run out of the front of the road, cross your doorway. You have to hop, skip and jump like you play hopscotch. Who know hopscotch when you draw from 1 to 10? You draw 1, 2, 3 in a straight line. But when you throw the something in a 1, you have to jump over that. You can't jump there, you have to jump in a 2. And when you reach 3, the jumper get harder and harder because you have to jump to reach up a 7 and 8. That we call hopscotch. I saw them used to jump over feces water and come and go at them as somebody in a phone. A Southside me used to there, you know. And me find people and run your file. It's just a people when me know, don't know much about you. Because those people with me know never associate and align with much people who know about you. Oh, but an abandoned building, commercial building they used to live in where people capture and take it on resident. You come and go on like you're somebody in America.
My children. Kingston 13 and the boy in the dark and the UK boy, the boy in UK, the Baker boy, all of them are harass my kids them. Carol, our best friend.
All let me hear all
All of them
this.
are harass my kids them.
Come on, people, when you hear all this, you can't swear for people. You cannot swear for people. But when you hear all Carol name called, you don't know which Carol? Nice, sexy Carol. When what? Carol what? She has soon 40, what, 48? Carol must be about 12, 13 years older than her. And Carol look about 30 years younger than her. Sexy Carol. We own Dana friend who own the decor place where she sell them something. Oh no Carol, no Carol. Carol never want to come up in her phone. I recently me see Carol get brave and start typing a comment section on them something there. And she not go on anybody page. So when you are going to come out here come say Carol I do this, it's just try to build a case to make it look like people close who associate with this woman is doing all what you're saying. But you can come on your platform and say all this. But at the end of the day, you're going to Homeland Security, Yardland Security, Scotland Yard Security, any security where you want to go to. You got to have the evidence to prove all this. This is not Jamaica. When a woman run going to the police station, go tell the police say a man just boof far down. Or a man just back. And then, yeah, 2424. Olympic Garden. Yes, 24, patrol 24. You need to know at the station. Or you need it on this location. And then just send police go there. You live in a first world country where all your claims right here, so are going to need evidence. Jamaican law system and police them have time to waste. I don't think America the system have the time for waste. That's why anytime with them are waste, it's to gather for them evidence. So when they come for you, and that's it. Carol. A Christmas carol you talk. I can't the carol with me I think. I must Christmas carol. I can't the carol with me I think.
And I look at minions them are harass my children them. Donna go. Donna blood clot go. Call off your dogs them off of my back, Donna. Me not ramp with you. That dirty one down there in a Curacao named Kingston 13. Call her off of my blood clot pity them, Donna. You want me get bring her up in this bitch? Me shut down my business for this.
What
Me not tell you
business?
no joke.
What business?
I know when I go over in a territories where we don't belong. Donna Marie go.
before me buy a cupcake for you, I buy one
I
of
am
this
not
honey
Michelle
bun.
Madonna. May I tell you this? This is my country now, you know.
You're what? So, a few months from
You hear
now,
me?
or a year or two from now, you gonna say the same thing? Because me never know
So
say
whatever
green
war,
card
you
holder
look
and
friend
citizen.
them. Yeah, you look cold friend them.
America no for them.
Ed teacher K and all of them look mad people there.
America
What
for
follow
citizens only.
I do no fuckery.
You know all the name she call?
Yeah.
People where she feel like it's
Stop.
close to Dana. Because she want to build a case.
Kingston 13 now a blood clot pick the what she care about. Kingston 13 has no kids that she cares about. Kingston 13 has no kids she cares about. The vile gay men them, UK boy and the one in the dark, they don't have any kids. They can't have kids. You take your kids them and hide them from the world. Not like I'm interested in knowing about your kids, but you took your kids and hid them from the world. You hid your kids them from the world. And this is about to get some, but tell you last night, so they're going to get in a problem and they think I drop me a make. They think I drop me a make.
And you are getting a problem, so you better prepare for it.
I'm going to get you in a trouble.
You better prepare for it or you going to get in a problem.
They're going to get you in trouble. Because your influence is the cause of this. You and these people are good friends. So there's no way that you can detach yourself or disassociate yourself.
This is
with
why
them.
you see it, people. You see me just telling you, all the notes the name that we should call out people who she feel like Dana is close to and acquainted to more. You understand? This is why she call out all these names, you know. You hear she come say it? We no idiot. We no idiot, you know. There's a whole heap of other people out here we call her name. But she in a fear head, they are small fries. So she call out the bigger fish them. But in the back of her head, they are the bigger fish. Because as me say, she are trying to build a scenario. Says she are threatened. She are feared for her life because of her kids' name has been dragged here, there, and everywhere. And she asks her how all this all started. One, she gonna refuse to tell you. Two, if she do tell you, it's all fabricated story. What me say? All fabricated story.
And you look at bodyguards them where you have over on social media, and you look at dirty word them, and not even gonna call them name, them know themselves. Yeah? Oh yeah. Remember me now where for going on? You started this shit. You started this Donegal. You started this mess. But I will definitely finish it. I will finish this shit. So call your dogs them off. I'ma pick to them, yeah? You hide your pick to them. Nobody don't know your pick them. Nobody don't know what them look like. We don't know if them have two head tooth. You hide your kids while you're out here tearing down other people's kids and
On a family channel she are on.
people's kids.
You are on family channel, so you put your grand
You
pitney, you
done
pick
it
them on your channel. She not on a family channel. You are on family channel.
Kingston 13 and Noel Cunningham, they both sent the cops to my house. Two of them sent the police come on my yard.
I don't, let's say it go, man.
I'm trying to find
Unfair game not play twice. Unfair game play twice. What people you call police from? You call policeman. So you never know, say, reaches you, reaches me. Your friend over there since week, she say you forget or you forget. And she run out and her supporters them, we are going like them a sympathize with you. Over the tell like him, Larry the Lizard. And she say remember she not have no remorse. You did call CPS pan her grand pitney. You Tina Wetters. The woman say, the Lizard say you call who? CPS pan her pitney. Accusing her husband of such thing. Oh, remember the whole accusation was about with, you know, Mr. Steve. The man of them say soft in the middle. Yeah, so she figure Canada go get the sitting from Bob. But Bob won't messy. Yes man, Bob won't messy boy. I better she go and stick to the one with soft like butter. You know? Up at the head kind of stiff. And when it go in the middle, soft like butter. So them say. So she go for Bob one. Because she hear say them type of man there. Them say soft something can't do that something there them say. So true she hear that. She go for that one day. So she go for the mess up one over Bob. You understand? But she did say you can't CPS pan her pitney or grand pitney. She could have lose her grand pitney. You know how should I feel today? So you are gifted for calling cops and authorities and people. And that's what exactly you're trying to do here. Talking about going to Homeland Security. So why you come out here talking about the woman and the man they call police pan you? No, your type of ball game that. So are you alone want ground and salad people and score pan them? People want pile your salad, your score pan you. You alone want ground and salad people and score. People want to do the same, I'll pile you too.
Things that I had to file police reports for, and your name is included in it. Now you're stepping into uncharted territory, making Kingston 13 and Noel Cunningham and the other people them harass my kids them.
You can't prove not the way I say.
They don't love you.
We all know and see you trying to make a case out here.
This is a fair warning. But I'm gonna stay along for the life.
You try to have something, so when the law comes for you, you can't say, see it, this, that. But what's the evidence? What brought it to this? What caused all of this? Them are going to know that. You have to show the law out of come from she.
On your platform to fight battles on your behalf. Gotta go. Oh, it's getting nasty. Okay. All right. Have a good day.
Anyway, speak my mind, people. Tina control the law of America. Tina control the White House. So she dictate what goes on in America. Whether you're a citizen, green card holder, Canadian, Curacanian, Jamaican, whatsoever. She decide what happened. So we're going to sit and watch to see how this played out. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Have a happy Sunday. I'm not promising you 2 videos like I never promised you yesterday. Because I re-energize myself. My body kind of drained because, you know, wifey miss me for a couple of days. Yeah, body kind of drained. So I re-energize myself. If tomorrow, well, the place kind of bleak and I hear somebody say them say like storm out at sea. But me not hear nothing official. But we are having some on and off showers from day, which is Saturday, because this is from Saturday night, this is a video you do. Because you know, as I tell you, most of the morning video are Saturday night them do. The day before them do. And we have in on and off showers. So probably if rain a fall and me day in and get boring and sleep too much, I might find something for go for the evening. But away from that, me now wake up until about 3 o'clock. Me park up my peas already. And the peas, when I tell you say me I cook it, are one of the easiest peas to cook and I make sure I park cook it. So yes, when I wake up 3 o'clock, all me I gotta do now is season up the pot. And when the pot season up, I start fry the fish. So I brown stew fish, you know, in coconut milk with okra. And as me tell you now, remember me say, cripple, my response to him to find lunch or dinner whatsoever for 1 month. I devote my time to give him lunch for 1 month. And tomorrow, he might go eat out of my pot because me a cook. So it don't make sense me a cook and go buy food a road deal. When me not cook, no different something like that. So, you have to go over Life is a Mission channel if you go see all of that. If you want to see who name cripple, you go see him. You understand him about him cripple about 5-6 years old. I mean a cripple I soon reach up in his 60s. But him you know, in disability where him have, him try to be active, but him need the assistant in getting the care. You understand? Yeah, him need the assistant in getting some care, boy. So me I try as myself here, man. I grew up with a fly kite, one of the baddest fly kite flyer. Yeah, man. And them man in a playing nothing about cuttings. When them man they ice them kite in the ear, tap and raise up on the tail, and a cuttings him a play. If you not play cuttings, take out the kite out of the ear, because you can't tell him say you not play. Or if you have your kite and love it, you have to take it out of the ear. So me I provide lunch him for 1 month straight. So if you don't want to see all of that video, the kind of video there, after me deliver him lunch or him dinner tomorrow, me I compile all the way happen for the give back for this month, where I just want somebody miss out the give back when me plan, which is started to him borrow me $1,000. 3 weeks now for give me back, and I know him not come back. Him losing blessing but would have more than the $1,000, because he was the first one I was thinking of assisting. If all remember, until the man was sleeping in the car with the tree drop down on the next car side of him, we up a Waltham there, so him come on board, and then cripple end up come on board. Well, me deal with the man in the car already, and a cripple now me I deal with for this 1 month. So all of that I go compile with a little errands when I go run with a subscriber or reach out, clear 2 barrel, and did have some things to give me for the back to school, but through them come in late and stuff. Well, I collect them and stuff. I want to, it was initially to donate back to probably the school I give the fridge, but I feel like I want to spread the love. So all these crayons and pens and stuff like that, I want to donate it to probably a different school. I want to spread the love. I don't want somebody just get it. Alright? So I am choosing who I'm going to give. So I'm not going to see that like errands where I run go way up in a Stony Hill and stuff like that. So a nice little video you can watch tomorrow evening. If you don't get a second video, you have that video that you can watch my Life is a Mission channel tomorrow evening and see some good deeds I do and see some sightseeing uptown and stuff like that. And yeah, so I'm still going to get 2 videos tomorrow, but I want to choose one to go over Life is a Mission because see the evening video. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. You know they do it is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Please remember Life with Gabby and Chevy need 112 subscribers to reach that 1,000. May I beg you, please, may I beg you, just make it happen before Christmas. So come January, me not have to talk about Life with Gabby and Chevy Live. And so me get to that Tamika Douglas because she reach and surpass. I don't know if she get her watch hour yet. You understand? Someone want to get rid of Gabby and move on to somebody else. And remember, when you give me, the gift go to the needy, not the greedy. If you want to give me, the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. And remember, it's not a charity. You don't bound to send nothing. But if you like what me I do and you want to contribute in buying me a bottle of water and 2 snow mint, I just don't know my favorite that in doing my videos, I will willingly accept the gift, but I'm going to give it back to the needy and not the greedy. And please go over on Instagram, find charmed_and_trends, and go on the business page, see what anything you like. You can get it customized to your liking. Jump in the DM, reach out to them. Good customer service, you'll get a quick reply, and you can go straight to the website charmsandtrend.shop and order something. Remember, shipping is a part of the thing because on a door-to-door delivery. And remember, support to not support. Nobody talk about, Lord God, a $30 for that, a $40 for that, plus me have to go pay $20, $35 for shipping. Come on, you support. As me say, enough time we go a fish fry, go buy a fish fry ticket. We get one little sprat. For a big $2,500, $3,000. When that could have cook a whole pot of fish. It's just that it's going to take time. You understand? But what time fish are going to take for cook? Fish not take no time for cook. But what? We just support the person who keep it. Although some of them, you know, them overdo it. Some of them get some little ticket for your big money like them take it for idiot. So they don't want to see you next year for support them when them do that. Make people feel good. So next year when you come again and you promote your thing, people willingly come because the food it tastes good and them like what them get. But that's how it goes, alright? Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Stay safe in the Sunday. Remember, Father God come first. Remember, God a God and man a man. I'm out.